Ballin' since I was a jit. Way before Oakland and filming the skits, I had to go to get rich. Mama was struggling paying the rent, I couldn't help her with shit. Hey, then I'm feeling so stuck in this bitch. Car broke down, can't fix that shit. I cried at night, I admit that shit. Oh, too old, I whipped that bitch. She left me alone, but I miss that bitch. She text right now, I hit that.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be installing these LED lights for the interior of the car. They just stick up with 3M tape right to the dashboard. And then on the front seats, on the bottom in the back, it just sticks with 3M tape up there. And then I have to obviously hide the cords so it doesn't look janky or anything like that. But I'm not going to be able to like film it because I'm going to have to be using both hands to like tape up the cords and hide them and tuck them and all that. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I did like afterwards and then the final result of all of the lights being installed. So let's get into the package, guys. Just car interior LED lights. Let's open this up here. So these are by Godding. You can find them on Amazon. Open this up for you guys. So as you can see, it comes with all these color changing options, and you can use them, change them through your phone, and it just tells you how to set it up, all the key features and stuff like that. Here are the actual lights. As you can see, it has 2 and they stick on by the 3M tape. 2 of them go on the front seats, but on the back and on the bottom of them, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. Let's see what else it comes with here. And yeah, that's basically it. Has the power module right here. Another cord to plug into the power module to plug into your car. And it comes with a bunch of zip ties to tighten up the cords and make sure you have a neat job doing it. I'm going to show you guys replacement for the front ones and the rear ones, and then I'll show you when it's done. So you're going to pull back this tape, stick it here, tuck your wires all the way through here, and the ones that I got, you'll plug your other end of the cord here, and then it will be, the ones that I have are through USB. So I got this little USB port right here. It's actually like the double charge fast one. I forget the exact name, but I'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, so I'm gonna start installing this stuff and then I'll show you the final results. Alright, so as you can see, finally gave the car a little wash. Got it cleaned up a little bit. I do need to clean the interior still, I know, but I just want to show you guys how I installed these. So we have the 3M tape on the back of these lights, and then it just sticks up onto the bottom of the dashboard. And then to make sure the wire didn't like flop down, I just put a piece of tape that was black and another one over there because you can barely see it, and it makes the cord just not look as noticeable. And then I just tucked it up under all this trim all the way through. Back's probably locked. Through all the way through into the back, and then obviously it goes into this little controller right there. for the rears, you have to stick it to the back of the seat. And then I'm trying to figure out a way to hide this cord, but not sure how to do it yet. I also wrapped up the cord because there's a lot of excess cord, and I just zip tied it together. There's a little zip tie right here. Tuck that under if I can. I have to tuck that up under. And then it's just plugged into a USB port in the back here. And then I just repeated the same process on the other side. And I do need to fix the cord. It is coming out here a little bit, as you can see. But you can just tuck that back up under. And then you can see I just put a piece of tape and then another piece of tape on the behind that little USB port, and then I just stuck it up under. So it's a super quick, easy install. It looks really great. Looks even better at nighttime, but even during the day it's still quite noticeable. And like I said, this is all Bluetooth, so you can control it through your phone. It also changes to, like, you can use your microphone, and then if you talk into it, it would change to the sound of your voice along with your music, and it has like a billion different colors. And yeah, so I got these LED interior lights on Amazon. They cost me about $20. I will leave the link in the description. Actually, I think they're already listed in my mods list, so check the description. I'm pretty sure I have them listed, but if I don't, I will put them in there. And they look amazing, and if you guys want to get them, I highly recommend it. But that's basically it for this video, so stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you then. Peace.